Hello there, it's Patricia from Pinky's World, and I have another stash buster here. I decided to use up some papers that I've had a long time, a couple of years at least, and they're from Anna Marie Designs, and they're the most gorgeous papers. I'm really sure you can still get them in our shop if you want to check them out. But I wanted to use up the last of the wee pack that I had, so I made a traveller's notebook. So I just cut myself, gave myself an inch here, and I think it's 4 inches. I can't even remember now. Oops. Yeah, it's 4.5 by 6 inches, and allowed 3/4 of an inch for the spine. So I just made it out of plain white card, and then stuck my papers top and bottom, front and back side, and machine stitched with my sewing machine. So it made a nice wee, really hard pack. I was going to go with the central closure with the elastic, but I didn't like it, so I bunged that up with a wee brad, and I decided to make a wee closure. So it's just Velcro, and I doubled up this and machine stitch it and makes it really sturdy. These were the leftover pieces that I had. I'll have that on my blog someday. I just punched out wee postage stamps and made some faux postage stamps to decorate it. A couple of punched butterflies. These are the papers are just beautiful. So anyway, inside I have a pocket at this side. Again, they're backed inside, and I had bought these from Anna Marie Designs as well. It's just like wee postcards that you can journal onto. And any leftovers that I had, I made into wee tiny booklets. So this one, I perforated the papers so that you can just rip it out after you've made your wee notes or whatever. And again, it was just a wee scrap of the paper. My first book is this one. I put this on it just to hold it closed because it's kind of popping open. I center stitched this one. Decorated again with one of the square faux stamps. I just used a die for this one, and these are just wee cutouts from the papers. So makes it very useful. And this will just keep it closed till that's getting used. I made another wee book this time with white drawing papers, the sketch in this one. Again, these are from that wee pack from Anna Marie, and they're like bookmarks or whatever you want to use them for. Put one back in front. I may stamp something in it. Again, I stitched around. I made the book out of white card and just stitched back in front and decorated. I think I got about 10 of these from a wee tiny amount of scraps. This is the bigger book, and I went with yellow pages for it, just for a wee change. Again, a wee postcard in the pocket, and I just stuck one of the wee things in the back, and stuck 2 of them in here, and another wee book that I had a bit of paper left over, and again I just stapled this time in the centre. So plenty of wee notebooks out of it, and a wee butterfly just to decorate. And then decide, well, you're going to need a pen, so I made a wee holder, not very straight, that should be stuck down better, but it's not, and stuck a pen in to match. And that has used 99.9% of my papers, and I'm so pleased, and it's a really good, sturdy, make a great gift, or I might even keep it for myself because I love these papers. But there you go. If you want measurements or anything for it or how to do it, let me know and I'll do it for you. But it is quite simple. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all again soon. Bye.